Welcome to Section 2 of the Complete Android N Developer course. Hopefully you've now got all of the free stuff and it's time to start writing some code. So we'll begin by downloading Android Studio. So watch the appropriate video for either Windows or Mac, depending on your operating system. And then we'll take a tour of the Android Studio interface and see how Android apps are put together. Then we'll start adding things like text views, buttons and images to create a user interface for our app, and we'll start writing code to make our apps interactive. At the end of the section, we'll make a currency converter app, which will be your first big challenge to put a whole app together in Android Studio and run it right there on your machine in the emulator. At the same time, I'd encourage you to download a copy of my book, How to Earn $10,000 While Learning to Code, and start jotting down a few ideas for apps that you would like to build. There's nothing like having a real idea for an app that you want to end up in Google Play to encourage you and help you along as you're learning everything that comes in this course. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this section, and I'll see you at the beginning of the next one.